I'm Trisha Loy. Welcome to Lock and Charge's FUYL Tower. So one of the exciting things about our FUYL Tower is we have a self-servicing kiosk. So when you step over to the kiosk, there's a couple of things you'll notice about it. The kiosk allows you to charge, loan, and go through repairs and broken devices. I've come to my place of business and I get to my work and I open my laptop and I find that my screen is completely shattered. So I'm able to come to our FUYL Tower and come up and let IT know that I have a device that's broken. I need to drop off a repair. So I go ahead and I put in my device ID, which again is on the back of my machine. And I let IT know that the screen is broken. So my screen is broken and it's looking for a bay in which I can put my broken device. So what I need to now do is loan a device. I need to borrow something for the day. So my broken one is securely in the tower, and I come back and I borrow a device. So now I can borrow one for the day as well. So not only do they have my device to repair, I now have my device that I can borrow for the day. Thank you for checking out the FUYL Tower. If you would like any more information, please go to our website at lockandcharge.com.